Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have discussed the relations and new topics of chapter 2 relation and functions. Today we are going to discuss the domain and range of the function relation. I am talking about the relation and first domain and range of relations. Basically domain, what is the domain? A domain, that means whatever we can put the value and any relations that is independent variable, just like that is a domain, and it has to be well defined. That means well defined means the number must be defined, not undefined cases. And range, whatever we get the value after putting the value of independent variable and that value of dependent variable, that is the range in the relations here. But in see this one, we have discussed the relation R is equal to such that x comma y, such that x is the element of set A and y is the element B, and this is subset of A cross B. We have discussed the relation from A to B. We will call it the relation from A to B, that is the subset of A cross B. Here, what is the domain? Basically, that if the relation between given in x and y, or suppose we have this y is equal to any relations we can write down, this is x square plus 1. Whatever value of x, whatever value is given on the we have put on x in x, that is called domain. But if it is a given a condition like this is x is a natural number and x is less than 10, that means that we have we have limited options to put in terms at the x. We can put only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? It is less than x. So that x is, that is the value which is natural number less than x, that is its domain. So that means in mathematically the elements of x, which is the elements of A, the elements of A is elements of A are this domain, we can write this is, and elements of B is called range, right? That is the range. The value of y which we get, that is the range, and that means here in terms of this is the relation between x and y, and it is given this is R is equal to x comma y in ordered pair, and such that x is the element of A and y is the element of B, that is the relation from A to B, that the elements of A is called domain and the elements of B is called range, right? Okay, now do some questions here and then we will understand it better. See, we have question number 1. Check, this is solution. We have a question, this is define a relation R. Define a relation R. Here it is not a real number, right? If it is a real number, then we will call it the real number. Now this is a define a relation R on set n is natural number, right? By R, this is given, this is x comma y, this is ordered pair x comma y, such that is the relation between x and y. Y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5. X is less than 4. That is the condition given, and x and y both are natural number. X and y both are natural number. This is relation given. We have R is equal to x y such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4 and x y is element of natural number, right? Both are. Now find out the relation in roster form. First we have to find out the relation on the roster form. Now what like this is R is equal to, just check this one. I am writing here yx plus 5. So that means x can what we can put in on x, that is x is less than 4. X is less than 4 and x is the natural number. X is less than 4, x is the natural number. So that means 1, 2, 3. So x is 1, 2, 3 we can put, and if x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 6, and if x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 8. right? This is the relation given x, y. Now check, if x is 1, we cannot put the 0. So x is 1, so y is, we have 6. If x is 2, y we have 7. If x is 3, y we have 8. That is the relation, right? So this is now the second part, write the domain and range of the function. The domain, check, this is domain. The value which we have put of x, the value of x which we have put in this relation, that is called domain. Or we write this is domain is, we can write this is the first element. This is x. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. This is the domain of the function. And after putting the value of x, what we get, right, that is the range. Now see, this is range. The range we get, this is 6, 7, 8. We have get this is y, this is y, this is y, and here this is y, x comma y. The first element of this order is x, that is domain, and the second element of this order, that is y, that is range. So range we have, this is 6, 7, 8. That is the range, right? Okay. Students, the next question is the same. Write the relation in roster form and solution of question number 2. Check it. We have a relation, another relation, r is equal to x comma x cube, such that x is prime number. X is prime number and x is less than 10. That means x is less than 10 and x is a prime number, and we can put here that is not y. What is y here? Just check this one. This is x comma y, and it is if you compare this is x comma y, here y is x cube. Basically, that is y is equal to x cube. It is not written in the questions, but not a problem for us. This is y is equal to x cube. See, y is equal to x cube, and x we can put, this is x is less than 10 and x is a prime number. So less than 10, what are the prime numbers? This is 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers, right? 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we are not talking about the odd number, it is less than 10. Right? Now 9 is not a prime number, it is an odd number. Now y is equal to, that is x cube. So x is equal to 2. So y and x cube is equal to, and this is 8. X is equal to 3. X cube is equal to 27. X is equal to 5. X cube is equal to 125. X is equal to 7. And x is equal to, this is 49 into 7. 343. Right? This is x is equal to 343. So now put the value of this x and y. This is x cube. So write this relation r is equal to x we have, this is 2, 8 and y is 3, 27 and this is 5, 125 and 7, 343. So that is the roster form of the question number 2. Okay, thank you students. Thank you.